We are headed to see what we can do at Animal Kingdom in just a few hours with no current lightning lanes. Y'all come along. Perfect timing. It just pulled up. We're high stepping it. It is 7:19. We're through security, 7:21. We're gonna have a wild time.
Family kids.
We bolted to the right, to the short line. Dawn got in one, I got in the other, and of course I get behind the old lady that don't know how to bring up her magic band on her phone. Blocked again.
In the morning like that shirt.
Thank you very much.
How many?
3.
Okay, here you go.
If you cut through here, Pluto's been meeting over there during the day. Whoa. And then through this cave, and then right in the middle, boom. Oh, which one? Pumbaa. Welcome to the Valley of Moara. Look at that thing. Five-minute wait.
I'll take a look and see how the rest
Navi artifacts. Morning. And absolutely no wait. 3. Row 4. Let's ride it one more time with no line. And it is 7:40. For about the first 20 to 30 minutes, this thing has no line because everybody goes to Flight of Passage. So you get the Flight of Passage lightning lane and then just ride this thing. And perfect. Walk on.
Welcome, travelers.
Ride number 2 is complete. There's still no line whatsoever. But I guess we'll proceed on. And now a quick snack. 7:55. The canteen. I think we ordered some of this right here. We got fruits, frittata and beef, French toast. The kids' French toast comes with a drink. The adult one is twice that price. So I got 2 kids. I don't know how busy the Satu'li Canteen gets for lunch, but we normally come for breakfast and it's empty. And there's some neat Navi artifacts. Next, we'll go do our Flight of Passage thing, and then just see what the wait times are for the other couple things and play it by ear. Here we go.
Yeah.
Kids French toast, beef frittata, and the Navi fruits. Looks good. Like a shaved beef thing. It was real good. Here we go. Oh, a Navi Nativity. A princess of the Oma Takayaya clan. I think those are new. Those are new.
I like these. Wait, are they bioluminescent?
Mm-hmm. Got a few new shirts. It's got the little water sprites on it.
Heavy. What is Brett?
Very bright. Let's see what we can find now. I like this little back path. Africa. What did it say?
It's from the dinosaur ride. It said, not our dino.
Oh. The Tree of Life. We're headed toward Asia. What you see? I tried to get her on Expedition Everest. Not today. Let's see what kind of construction is going on over here. Here's the weights. Nothing too crazy. The Forbidden Mountain. It's really kind of dead here. I think we might see the Zootopia show in a minute. The Concretosaurus used to stand right here. See if we can see anything down here. There you can see the Encanto show building. It's a big old building. Look how big that building is. Woo. Let's do the Zootopia show. Oh. Let's see if we spot any more animals. Oh, there's one, two. There's a bug. More. There's some sort of creature.
Hey, party animals, have fun, everybody. I'm gonna leave your strollers right over
Oh, here's the sprayer.
Making a gross meal today.
And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house. Come on, baby.
Blocked again. Happy Zootopia Day. Let's go do a little shopping. The Discovery Trading Company. Let's see what they got. Ooh. Oh, Simba. I have not updated the paint scheme on the toy castle. It's still pink. Ultimate Stitch. Oh. Oh.
What are you feeling?
I think I want the one that
Which one are you?
Oh. Fozzie Bear. They got some new Muppet ones. Those pass holder shirts look pretty good. Man down. Go straight across. Oh, there's a duck wanting to see the opening of this thing. So this is different rides from Magic Kingdom. And this little shoe.
Oh, here you go.
It's called Disney Laces.
Which one did you get?
Small World.
Oh, that's a good one. There's the bottom. Very neat. Island Mercantile. Let's see what's in here. Those are new. Some new Wilderness Explorer stuff.
Hey, come here.
No. Oh, those are cute.
I have to order some of them. A friend to all. Doug. Efficiency is overrated.
Wait.
What's this false name? I can't remember.
Flash.
Flash.
Hey, look at the gazelle shirt.
Oh, that's neat.
Ooh, that's pretty. Party animal.
Hey, look at this.
I say,
Oh.
Right? He's doing great. He's doing great.
really say good job.
Thank you. We have more hours. We'll keep working on it.
Okay. Okay.
Have a good one.
You too. People are starting to pile in. That was 2 hours in the Animal Kingdom. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Let's walk out of here and see if we see any characters. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's Pluto. Pluto. Well, that was our Animal Kingdom morning. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to his channel.
See y'all in the next video.